One of the coolest features of GravitySketch is the built-in models, and one of those built-in models is a set of figures that are articulated, and you can use them to pose them and put them into your other scenes and other models. So let's take a look at doing just that. In GravitySketch, you've got figures that you can use to help you build out your models. And if you're doing human-centered design, you need to be thinking about designing this stuff from the inside. So you might want to be zooming right in and then get inside these vehicles so you can see what cockpit design is like, and then step out of the vehicle again and see what it's like from the different angles that you'd see when you stood by the side of it, climbing on the back of it. That's where GravitySketch is quite different than other modeling programs. To bring people in to to be able to scale them in, then you need to just come here and go import, and then you want to come down here to built-in models, and then we can just take the man or the lady or the chassis, or down here there is a head and there is a mannequin top half. So let's take the female one in this case, bring her out like so, drop her in the scene. Really useful for just doing scale tests like that. What was even better is we can put it in the vehicle, which helps us with a scale, and most definitely gives us an idea of the how this would work with a person in it. But grab the person, hit the blue button, and now you can pose around. Makes it really, really useful, because now you can literally try someone out in the seating that you've arranged, or the cockpit. You can angle the feet to pedals if you're designing pedals or interfaces or different ways that the body's going to interact. You can try steering wheels. So I'm just basically grabbing with my grip on my dominant hand. You can do head movements. So if this is a racing car, then you might want to do something like the back of the head seating and stuff like that, and then bring this hand across. So I'm twisting and moving all the time, and as you can see, that really helps you to get an idea of how this would work with the person in it, or you could even sit next to them, scale it up, and you're in the vehicle alongside. So you could say just bump along, if I can do it from this angle, move you along, and I'll sit next to you like that. And as you can see, it's quite useful for seeing what it would be like inside the vehicle, and I can still move even though she's over to the side now. You can see how it's still useful from a human point of view. So useful, really, really useful for doing scaling and for getting a feel for how people fit within your vehicles. If GravitySketch feels exciting but also a little bit overwhelming, that's exactly why we've created our new course. It's made to help beginners feel confident step by step without all the confusion that comes with trying to piece everything together on your own. So if you'd like to be first to hear about it when it launches, then click on the link below and join the early release list. Everyone on that list gets access to an early launch discount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.